Hello and welcome. So now we are going to make a game which is called as arrangement. So basically it would be like there would be some parts of image. So we just need to arrange it. So this is what we would have played this game in our childhood. So let me just show you so how game would look like. So this is what the game would look like. So we have one image. So as you can see, the image is broken into 9 parts, and here it is saying that we need to arrange this 9 parts. So right now 9 out of 9 images are at correct position. So once you click on play, so all the image would be at different position, and then we need to arrange it. So let me just click on OK. So as soon as I click on play, all the image parts would not be at the correct position. So now I just need to arrange it. I can pick this up from mouse button and I can drag it and can place it anywhere I want. So I would just try to make this image. So I would guess this would come as here, and let me think that this would come here. So if you can see here, if I put any image at correct position, this count will increase. So right now the count is 2. So out of 9, I have made 2 images at the correct position. So if I just give like this, the count is 3. That means 3 images are at the correct position. So let me just do like this. So now 4th image is at correct position. I would say this would come as this. And let me say this guy would come at here, right? And this would come as this guy. Let me just try to use it. This guy would come at here, and this one come at here. So as you can see, I have won the game because all the image, or I would say 9 out of 9 image, I have made at the correct position. If you click on play again the image would go in different order. So this is the game that we will be making in the next couple of video. So I'll see you in the next video.